These bins, these are all Dollar Tree store bins. This is a Dollar Tree store bin. I bought these. It was I think it was two for $4. I bought these. I also got a larger one. And these work to keep my stuff organized. And made in the USA. These are made in the USA. They're really, really great. And then I also got bins like this to match. So they're really great. So check out the bin location. Like the storage there is really nice. I don't know what they've had in the past because this is new for me, right? Put this in correctly. So this goes on the bottom. And it all matches. And then I also have, I bought these bins for my clothing. And they're stackable. These are stackable. They're awesome. These are awesome. Stack them. I got 3 of them. So if I'm not getting beauty supplies, I'm looking at these kind of things. I'm looking at the storage pieces. Their storage I find really, really good. Here's another one. Let's see what this one looks like. These were very inexpensive. And they're like $1 something. So I'm able to organize my things in amazing boxes that are so affordable. So here, I can keep myself organized. I got a ton of these. See? Like if I wanted to just put, like when I start labeling, I'll be using these so I could keep it organized. I got a bunch of them. These are really good. This was a great find. And I got other ones that were bigger. These, I think that this is the same size as this one. Yes. So this size are these. So I got 4 of these. Here's the, and I'll also be putting this on my Amazon store. So what I do is I get things at the Dollar Tree store so I can purchase them and show how I'm doing this process for people that are looking to do this. And then I make a separate video for Amazon, even though it's more expensive on Amazon. But it's kind of really cool to do both. Here we go. I am bringing you through Dollar Tree store's amazing section that I never even thought about until I actually stopped and looked. They have incredible containers. I decided to give myself a project and grab containers. There's $1.25 containers, and then some of them are $5, like those. I brought them home, and I did such organization in my house that I'm going to continue. I went into the container area, and the plastic that I found in these containers and the quality were exceptional. The price was unbeatable. And I took them and I brought them home, and it really made me feel so organized, and it was a very, very fun project. The cost compared to like the container stores that I would go to in the past, there's no comparison. The quality is the same. I would venture to say it's all made from the same factory. I brought home the ones that were solid. They were able to hold my heavy cleaning supplies, as you see here. I wish I would have videotaped what it looked like before. It was a mess. And then I also went over to my linen closet and rolled up all of my little sheets for my pillows, which were all over the place, but I organized it so nicely. Rolled them up, put them in, fit beautifully. And then I continued over to my office. Check this out. Those containers were perfect. There's my buckets. I got all of that and organized my office. Feels really good, you guys. And for the money that I spent, absolutely worth every penny. I would suggest, don't go anywhere else but the Dollar Tree store to organize your house this summer.